Thank you for joining Winston Food Service for our portion of SNA's new Innovative Solutions Showcase. We hate that we can't visit with you in person, but as a long-standing SNA partner and a huge advocate for child nutrition, we'll be here to support you in any way we can. 2020 has been a difficult year for all of us. The pandemic and lack of clarity about the best path forward have made the challenge of providing students nutritious meals even more difficult. Winston is eager to help you adapt to this new normal, and we'll celebrate along with you when it begins to look more like the old one. Since 1969, Winston has been an innovator in food science and technology. From our start with the original Collectromatic pressure fryer to the invention of C-Vap technology, we've evolved as food science has evolved. But we're not just science. At Winston, we're a family, and our members are dedicated to helping you achieve your goals. When you call, there will always be a real person on the line ready to help you in any way they can. So what is C-Vap? C-Vap is an acronym for controlled vapor, and the technology behind it allows us to precisely control food temperature and moisture evaporation. C-Vap technology is available in holding cabinets, drawers, cook and holds, and retherm ovens. The primary difference between C-Vap technology and our competition is that C-Vap is the only technology that directly controls food temperature down to the degree with heated water vapor. We're not after humidity, we're after control. C-Vap technology uses air elements as a secondary heat source to control the food's surface texture, whether that be crisp, soft, or in between. This unrivaled precision of C-Vap ovens and holding cabinets makes HACCP compliance easy to achieve and document. Winston C-Vap technology has been helping to improve child nutrition since the 1980s. It's amazingly effective at maintaining both food's visual appeal and its nutrients. Products do not continue to cook or dry out in our cabinets. Everything maintains its just cooked quality until the moment you need it. After all, there's nothing more unappealing to your customers than a puckered pea or a haggard hamburger. School nutrition professionals face many challenges throughout the day. They need an oven that cooks large quantities fast, then holds food hot, fresh, and at peak quality without overcooking. The C-Vap Retherm oven provides that extra hand in the kitchen. Select the time, temperature, and texture desired, press start, and walk away. It's that simple. Our ovens shift to hold mode automatically, freeing your staff to focus on other tasks. When it's time to serve, freely pull food from the cabinet and serve your hungry children. C-Vap Retherms are the most powerful pieces of equipment we make. They're as versatile as combis without the high costs or rigorous maintenance schedules. They also don't need calibration and don't require the chemicals and hassle that come with combi ovens. So what do you sacrifice by choosing C-Vap Retherm ovens over combis? Nothing. You can proof, bake, poach, braise, sous vide, roast, steam, and hold, all in the same unit. And our ovens are particularly well suited for schools because they're perfect for swiftly bringing frozen or slack products up to serving temperature. C-Vap Retherm ovens are also perfect for batch and volume cooking. The substantial capacity of C-Vap equipment packs a lot of productivity into a small footprint. You can cook and hold up to 14 sheet pans on the adjustable racks. So keep your pizza hot, fresh, and ready to serve alongside tots, chicken patties, corn dogs, peas. You get the drift. You can maximize your productivity using the C-Vap Retherm oven's overnight cooking and delay start features. Load ovens in the evening and arrive in the morning to precisely cook, ready to serve food. Or set the oven to preheat just before your crew arrives so they can start cooking the moment they clock in.
Often we're asked, how long can you hold it? Well, the answer is a long time. What does that mean to the average school cafeteria? It means you can prepare food, load the cabinet, and serve it whenever you want, knowing that it's fresh and at a safe temperature. It also means less food waste, better student meal participation, less labor, and more peace of mind.
COVID-19 has added a laundry list of new challenges to the already daunting task of feeding students. The emphasis on additional food safety has pushed prepackaged foods to the forefront. C-Vap Retherm ovens are uniquely suited to cook food inside its packaging because of the gentle but potent heating ability of water. Food can be prepared and safely served without being touched. All C-Vap cabinets and ovens are built with heavy-duty casters, making them easy to move. Because they don't require a vent hood, they can be placed anywhere you have the electricity to run them. So, if you need to shift food prep or service outside the traditional kitchen, C-Vap equipment makes that adjustment a little less complicated. An optional transport package with 5-inch casters, push-pull handles, and a cord wrap make it easy to roll prepared food directly to the classroom. C-Vap cabinets are smart. They feature 8 preset channels specifically programmed for popular school food items. Need more flexibility? You can reprogram any channel to better suit your menu using the wireless C-Vap programming app in Series 7 or desktop app in Series 7 and Series 5. Load with signature dishes for repeatable, reliable results. Series 7. Our flagship line, Series 7, comes with all the bells and whistles, including wireless programming, controllable convection fan, and an optional cooking probe. A handy USB port can be utilized for menu programming, firmware updates, and HACCP data downloads.
C-Vap Series 5 delivers serious performance with fantastic features, including programming via desktop application and USB thumb drive, and a convection fan. The Series 5 USB port can also be used for menu programming, firmware updates, and HACCP data downloads.
Series 3. C-Vap Series 3 is C-Vap simplified. Available in holding cabinets, it features simple controls, is simple to use, and comes at a simple price. Series 3 holding cabinets include convection fans and easy-to-use push-button controls. C-Vap equipment comes with the best extended school warranty on the market. Our school warranty covers 2 years labor and 5 years on parts. We can offer this because we know our equipment is both rugged and reliable. And at Winston, we pride ourselves in our customer service. Our customers rave about the exceptional care they receive and the quick and reliable service provided. You can trust Winston to have your back. Winston has always been a strong advocate for improving child nutrition. For over a decade, we've partnered with the School Nutrition Foundation as the underwriter for the Winston Equipment Grant. This grant donates 10 pieces of C-Vap equipment, approximately $50,000 in value, to one deserving school district every year. Winston is also a longtime SNA patron and friend of the School Nutrition Foundation.
We want to save schools money and make it easier for them to upgrade their kitchens. The Winston Trade Up and Save program enables schools to ditch obsolete or broken ovens or holding cabinets. It doesn't matter what brand, Winston will give up to $1,000 for each piece with the purchase of an equivalent C-Vap unit. And if you're trading in an old C-Vap unit, we'll kick in an additional $250 towards a new one. That's a total of up to $1,250 when you trade one Winston product for another one.
The goal for all school lunch programs is to maximize the quality and quantity of the food they prepare for their students. Cooking and holding with C-Vap equipment enhances this effort, adding that extra hand in the kitchen. But don't take our word for it.
Definitely makes it ease of use, quick, easy to learn how to use. Great product comes out of it, which that's what we want for our kiddos.
We absolutely love them. The thing we like the best about them is the versatility. It allows us to take the product cold, we can put it in the retherm, we've got it wrapped, put it in the retherm, bring it to temperature, hold it, it goes out on the serving line, and it's like it came right out of the oven.
The cook and hold is a piece of equipment that can be utilized to run your kitchen versus a combi or a convection oven.
They make life much easier for my managers. We love, in particular, the C-Vap holding cabinets because of the way they hold food exactly the way we need it.
We love our C-Vap at our high school. It takes a lot of pressure off our combi. We use it daily to heat our bagged items.
And they really help with the product holding and the moisture level, product quality. It helps us with HACCP compliance, and it really lets us serve a better product for our students.
And I like the fact that you can put your turkeys in the night before and let them roast, and they're ready the next morning.
The units have just been working beautifully for us, and we can ensure that our kids have hot quality meals each day.
We had 3 of these in our kitchens, and we didn't know how to use them. The product in it was hard and burned up, And so I called up the company, and they were very helpful and said, hey, you got to turn it on right, you got to use it right, you got to put water in it. So we did those things, and so they were very helpful, easy to deal with. And the cabinet now just works so great. Our product is at the temperature we want it at. The chicken is moist, the outside of it is crispy, and it holds it for 2 or 3 hours that way. And we serve it to our kids as a good product now, and it made such a difference. Using the cabinet right, this is a great cabinet. This is what you need. Thank you.
If you would like to learn more about C-Vap equipment or would like to set up a demo, click the link in the comments to send us your information. And to thank you for your time, we'll send you a little highly coveted Winston swag.
We'd like to open up any questions you may have.